See, this question is from April 2019 makeup exam. Again, it is based on 2 wattmeter method. In this, they have given the line voltage VL is equal to 440 volt and wattmeter 1 is 14.2 kilowatt and the wattmeter 2 is minus 6.1 kilowatt, right? You need to calculate the power factor. Power factor is cos phi. As you know, the formula for the cos phi is simple, this one, right? So we know the value of W1, we know the value of W2. After substituting it, we'll get the value. So we'll get cos phi as 0.245, correct? Now in the next part, they are asking you the line current and line current is denoted by IL. So we know the formula that W1 plus W equal to LIL cos phi, right? W1 is given, W2 is given, cos phi we already calculated, VL is given. Can we get IL from this? Right? After calculation of IL, we'll get it IL as 47.34 ampere.